Okay, this is what you need to do with your kangkung plants. Okay, pretend that this is your kangkung plant. So you get your kangkung plant from your growing container, take them out. Right. So remove one of your kangkung plant. You need to dab dry first before you take the fresh weight. So this is still wet. Get fresh tissue, gently press until there is no water shadow appear on the tissue, meaning that there's no surface water on the plant. Right. So maybe you have to do it multiple times. Okay. Okay, that looks good. So we got that. Just hold this camera. Don't be too rigid. So you can weigh that. I think it's better if you use they do use the weighing boat. So I forgot to mention earlier, whatever remnants from the tissue needs to be removed as well. So remove that. So you are weighing your fresh weight purely of your plant. No tissue, nothing, no remnants whatsoever. The root, yeah, you need to divide the this hasn't got any root. If there's a root present, you need to remove it. Let's say that this is the root. So that will be the root. This will be the shoot. Root, shoot. So weigh first. So put the weighing boat in here. You need to zero it. Okay. Weighing that. So that's 0.48 gram. So that should be your plant number 1, P1. The gram of it, 0.48. And we know that this is the shoot system. And do the same until the end. For the root system, remove that. We need a different tissue for this purpose. So we can label plant 1, shoot 1. Okay. P stands for plant. So wrap it all the way to the bottom. You can expect the same again for the root. 0 again. Oh, sorry. You need to put the boat first. Put boat first. 0. So 0.03. So jot it down. P1. This is S1. Shoot 1. This is R1. Gram equals to 0.03. So got that. Get a new tissue. Put in there. Then label. This is from plant 1, root 1. So that there's no confusion happens later. Now with that, put in here, put your label name. So group group donut. Okay. Seal it. Okay. Then bring to this oven. Oh, date. I forgot. People need to put date. This is undergrad. You need to spell out everything. So what's the date today? They said that you want to do on Friday, right? Friday. What's the date on Friday? 24.
24. Friday is 24.
24. Because they will do this on Friday for October 25. Right. Yeah. So this will be your P1. And I'll let you name. Got it. Put it in there. Not here. No. Not in here. Better here, or better here. Right? So make sure this is properly closed tightly. So you can't remove it. Can't remove it. And this thing will come back to 50 degrees. If something happens to this, tell in the chat so that the staff knows. Alright, so that's all. So be intermittent. So all items, all materials will be provided on this bench later. The envelope, the tissue you got it over there. So be independent and finish your samples T1 drying up. That's all.